First it was the Pixel 6 catching fire. Now the Pixel 7 lineup is making headlines for all the wrong reasons. Reports are piling up of swollen batteries, screens popping off, back panels separating, and safety concerns rising. Today, we'll break down what's happening, how Google is responding, and what Pixel owners should do right now. What started with the budget. Pixel 7a is now hitting the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. Over the last few months, dozens of owners have reported batteries swelling so badly their screens literally detach overnight. Others describe overheating, sudden shutdowns, or finding massive gaps between the display and the frame. For phones just over 2 years old, this isn't normal wear and tear, it's a serious defect. One Redditor put it bluntly, "Screen completely detached, never exposed to heat, 2 years old. This is a serious safety hazard." Another said their repair shop warned the problem could happen again, even after a battery swap, calling it a 50/50th chance. These aren't isolated stories. They're widespread enough to raise real safety concerns. Google's handling of this? Mixed at best. Some customers report smooth service, free battery replacements, or even full device swaps. Others say Google quoted them $130 or more for out-of-warranty repairs. A few were told the Pixel 7 doesn't qualify for the same free replacement program Google rolled out earlier this year for Pixel 7a owners. That program included free batteries and even cash payouts of up to $456. Pixel 7 and 7 Pro owners right now, they're stuck in limbo. Battery swelling isn't just an inconvenience, it's a potential fire hazard. Lithium-ion cells that expand can leak, overheat, or even ignite. We've already seen Pixel 6 models linked to fires last year. Beyond safety, it raises questions about Google's hardware quality control. The Pixel 7 was supposed to be Google's big step forward in design reliability. Instead, it's dragging up the same old doubts. This isn't new for Pixel owners. Earlier generations saw premature battery degradation, overheating, and swelling complaints. The Pixel 6a caught enough fire, literally, that Google pulled refurbished units from sale. The Pixel 7 series was supposed to mark a turning point. Instead, history is repeating itself and louder than before. If you own a Pixel 7 or 7 Pro, here's what you should do. Check your phone. Look for any gaps around the screen or back panel. If you spot swelling, stop using and charging immediately. Document the damage with photos. Contact Google support and push for escalation, especially if the phone is just around 2 years old. Even without an official recall, many users have succeeded in getting free repairs by emphasizing the safety risk. The Pixel 7 battery issue is more than a customer complaint. It's a potential hazard and a test of Google's commitment to its users. Will the company step up with a broader replacement program, like it did for the Pixel 7a? Or will Pixel 7 owners be left footing the bill for a problem they didn't create? For now, the safest move is to stay alert, and if you notice swelling, act fast. Your phone, and your safety, depend on it. What's your Pixel experience? Share below. Subscribe for more tech updates.